Hello guys, your Android device is slowing down. Don't worry guys, here's how to free up your memory and optimize your device performance. Okay, let's get to it. First of all, go to your settings on your phone. Try to find battery and device care, and it's right here, and click on it. And after that, you can click optimize now. It's right here. But because my Android phone is still good, so I can't click on this button. All right, but we can still free up our memory by clicking on this memory button. And then after that, we can click clean now. All right, and wait until it's 100%. Okay. Okay, and that's how we can free up our memory by stopping background apps. And that's for the tutorial today, guys. Thanks for watching and see you on the next video.